Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Morning Gardener. Wearing this mask out here, cutting grass. I gotta tell you, one good thing came out of coronavirus. One thing that I can think of right at this moment. Wearing a mask in the garden is just a better deal. It keeps the pollen down from your system. These are apples. As you can see, let me see if we get a close up on them. And soon they'll be sizing up. I'll give them another feeding at that point. The tree's just full of blossoms. Just never seen these particular trees blossom out like this. Been feeding them grass clippings. This is the main garden. The cone is where there was some kale that came back on its own this year. I put a tag on it from the one that died. This one here is a cutting. Thank goodness I got that cutting, because I would have to go back out and spend $20, $30 for this grapevine again. I'm not out of the dark yet until I get it growing and get some more cuttings. Neptune is the name of the grapevine. Look at this. This I made sure not to cut. See the boundary marker there? There's another marker. And the plants are getting bigger and bigger. So I think I'll feed these today. This is all kale in here. It fell from seeds. Some larger plants here. Thousands of them. This here is soil box that I thought I'd use this year, and I did. Looks like the cats have been in it too. Grapevines started to come out. I need to go up here for a second. See up top here where they're coming out? These are the vines that grabbed it last year and almost killed everything. Here's a grapevine that I think might be a cutting off of that same plant I was talking about. Let's just move some of this out of the way so you can see it. That's it right there. Got to get back here and clean up because trash keep falling back here from other yards. And here we have the kiwi plant. A lot of dieback this year from not caring for it, but it's on its way back. It's healthy. It's definitely healthy. All right, this is the Morning Gardener. Onions that keep coming back. Straight onions.